Hey everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love watching people unbox the Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I have the August 2022 Allure beauty box here. And in case anyone is new to what an Allure beauty box is, it is a $23 a month beauty subscription where you get 6+ products and 3 are guaranteed to be full size. And the past 3 months, it has come with 4 full-size products. Now, it's only guaranteed to have 3, but hey, 3 months in a row with 4, I'll take it. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in the August box. It does come with a booklet, which will have the prices of the full-size product. All right, I'm excited. This box felt a little heavy. What is this first item? It's a small square, probably some kind of skincare. This here is, Squalane plus Omega Repair Cream. Okay, it's from Biossance. What is a Squalane and Omega Repair Cream? Whatever she is, she's tiny. So this is either going to be for under the eyes or a sample. Oh no, I barely see it, but I see the word face cream. Deeply moisturized skin. So this is going to be a sample. All right, next item. Ooh, is that the Viktor and Rolf? Okay, I'm not really into scents, but I am into Viktor and Rolf, and I know their logo. What are you? Good Fortune, Viktor and Rolf. Never tried. Is this a new scent? Hold on. I'm excited. When do you see me get excited over scents? Oh, why can't I get this open? Can't smell anything. Hold on. Now I've been yelled at by people, so I'm just gonna sit here and then I'll come back to what it smells like. All right, next item. Okay, getting a lot of eyelashes lately. Well, for me it seems like a lot. I don't wear false eyelashes, so this is like the 3rd pair in the last 3 months, so probably not a lot, but for me, all right, so this is from a brand called Magnetude, and they are magnetic eyelashes. Oh, interesting. Okay, so not only do you get a pair of lashes, but you get a bunch of little tiny clumps. I don't know what you call them, but like if you just want a little bit on the outer corner or inner, I don't know. That's interesting. I've never seen in a box lashes come like that. Usually women will take the time and cut their own little bits and pieces. Well, that's pretty cool, although I don't see anything to apply the lashes. Maybe it's in the box. All right, next item. Yes, okay, so I randomly grabbed this, and it is from Magnetude, and I presume it's going to be the eyeliner or whatever that you get, that you put on your face to get the lashes to stick. Let me grab my little friend. Yep, magnetic eyeliner. Ooh, okay. Makes sense if you get magnetic eyelashes that you would hopefully get the companion magnetic eyeliner. Leave me a comment if you'd be curious to watch me try to put these on. All right, I presume these are both full-size products. And I'm curious if they're sold separately or if they come as a set. Okay, so this is a set. It comes together. It is full size and it retails for $55. All right, checking in before we move along to the next product. Smells lovely. I'm not even going to attempt to describe it, but guess what? I have a little cheat sheet here. Let me tell you what the notes are. So the scent is called Good Fortune and it has jasmine superfusion, Madagascar vanilla, and fennel and gentian flower alchemy. What? I've heard of fennel. Maybe that's what I'm picking up on. There's an interesting, I don't know. It's nice, not as exciting or as spectacular to me as the flower bomb. So if you don't care for the flower bomb, maybe you'll like this one. This one's okay. Give me flower bomb every day of the week. That's my jam. All right, next item. Don't know what it is, but she's very tiny. Ooh, it's from TYNT. Gotten a product from this brand in, I want to say Ipsy. This here is the brow gel, and it's in clear. What is it with brow gels? I don't really do my brows, but this is the second brow gel I've received in a box that I've filmed this evening. You'll see the other one coming soon. Let me try to get it out of the box. All right, that's what she looks like. Typical tiny little brush. I already have product in my brows, so I'm just gonna plop her back in there, and I am set for life on brow products. I am curious if this is full size or not. It seemed tiny to me, but maybe that's what brow gels are like. Let's see what the booklet has to say. It doesn't list the milliliters or grams, so I can't really tell. I assume this is full size, which retails for $14. All right, next product. This has a little weight to it for a tiny box. What is this? All right, it's from a brand I'm not familiar with called Esker Beneficial Body Care, and it's a firming oil. 20 ml. What is a firming oil? All right, comes in frosted glass bottle with a dropper. On the side here, I did see some fragrance notes. It says juniper, palmarosa, lavender, rose geranium, and grapefruit. And guess what? I don't like rose, I don't like grapefruit, and I don't like lavender. I'm also lazy, but I am curious. Yeah, not my scent, but I am curious if this is full size, and if so, what it retails for. Okay, this is a body oil, which you're supposed to apply after you get out of the shower and you're a little damp. It is not full size. The full size retails for $40, and it's 2 ounces, which is 60 ml. This is 20 ml. All right, next item. What do we have here? An itty bitty teeny weeny sample. Again from Sephora. That's twice now. Oh wait, I got a Sephora. Was that in the Macy's box or in Allure? I can't remember. But I recently got a Sephora brand product in one of these boxes. Fascinating to me. This here is a cleanser. It's this Clean Skin Gel. Little tiny 10 ml sample. Who can't use a cleanser? I'm going to add it to my big pile I have going on. All right. And the last item is large, heavy, and from a nice brand. So this here is from Tula. I recognize the packaging. All right. So this is the So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Yes. I know I've had a product similar to this one, if it wasn't the exact same product, from Tula, and I enjoyed it. For some reason, I'm thinking the packaging was yellow, but I could be confusing that with the sunscreen. If it's the same one, I really enjoyed it. Something will float on screen as to which box I received that in, because it's been a while. I want to say Ipsy. This retails for $32 and obviously is full size. All right, let's recap everything I got in the August box. Got a body firming oil from Esker, a cleansing skin gel sample from Sephora, a sample repair cream from Biossance, a clear brow gel from TYNT, a perfume sample from Viktor and Rolf, magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner from Magnetude, and the So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub from Tula. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I think this is a really good box for $23. Now, for me personally, because I don't wear lashes, not the best. I also don't do my brows. I'm not into body oils. But I do like an exfoliating scrub, and this sugar one from Tula is lovely. I love Viktor and Rolf, and little tiny samples. So for me personally, it was a little meh. I've had better, but I still think for everyone else in the world, this is a really good box, particularly for $23. I'm going to list the MSRP total value, and knowing that these eyelashes and magnetic eyeliner alone is, what would they say, $53? This is $32. It's going to be well north of $100, which for $23 is pretty darn good. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the items in the August box? Do you think I should continue getting this subscription? I need to get rid of a subscription or two, and I'm on the fence on this one because it's getting better and better. And then this month was a little, but that's just me because I don't, browse fake lashes. But yes, I'm very curious what your thoughts are. Would you have drooled over this box, or are you like, last month was better? Because that's where I'm leaning, but it's still a good box. Don't get me wrong. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up is super fast, super easy, and it really helps my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.